two ways you scan a QR code with a built-in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top. And in here, make sure that you have turned on scan QR codes. Tap on the toggle button and switch it on. After that, tap on the back key. And then in your camera app, simply point the camera at the QR code image. And then tap on the link that will open up the website or the QR code. Maybe allow you to connect to a Wi-Fi. It may open up an image. So depending on what the QR does, just simply follow the on-screen instruction. The second method is to use the QR code scan app. So from the screen here, swipe down at the top with two fingers to open up the quick settings panel. In here, we swipe across, then tap on scan QR code. Now this is a little bit different than the camera app in that you can scan the image, the QR code image directly on your device, or you can use the camera. So you put the camera at the QR code. You can also use the flashlight. And once the phone detected the QR code, you can choose to copy the link or copy the instruction to the clipboard. You can share it, or you can simply tap on open link to action it. So here we can scan it again, then tap on open link, and that will open up the link. And that's it. That are the two different ways how you can scan QR code using your built-in camera. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.